account determination heading. Automatic account determination heading. Automatic account determination. Still people are joining them. Okay. So guys, how we will come to know whether our company is in profits or losses? How? Because we will check how much we spend, how much we earn, how much it is there in our stock. Completely we will compare all the things, and finally we'll check whether our company is in profit or losses. Am I right? Right? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now question is, where you are capturing expenses, where you are capturing income, how you are capturing expense in the sense, I'll tell you, we are doing GR. When you are doing GR, you are spending amount now. If you are spending amount, that is expense. When you are selling material, you are getting money from your customers. Correct? That is nothing but it is an income for you. Correct? But where you are capturing? Which amount you spend for what purpose? You can't accumulate. Now you have to show why you spend, where you spend. Whether you spent it for labor, whether you spent it for some repair, whether you spent it for purchasing of material, where exactly you spent this amount. Where exactly you spend the amount. I want to capture. I want to capture exactly where we spend amount. That is what, whenever there is an involvement of money, back end you will get accounting entries. Okay? You will get accounting entries because those expenses, those incomes will capture here. That I'm writing on notepad, just take it. Those expenses will capture under GL account, general ledger account. Those expenses will capture under general ledger account. But how? Which general ledger account? Which account it has to come? Because when we are copying company code, we have copied around 1300 GL account. Correct na? Out of 1300 GL account, which one is for raw material purchase? Which one is for repair? Which one is for spares? How system will come to know? Right? So that part, that assignment part is what called this GL accounts, okay? That capturing. So when you are creating GR, automatically accounting entries will generate and automatically system will give GL account also, general ledger account. System will give general ledger account. So guys, we can select general ledger account manually also. Like when you are doing service, you have to select manually. When you are issuing goods, we can select GL account manually. We can select GL account manually. But will you select correct GL account? Because it is very difficult. Okay, it is very difficult to remember or to select correct GL account on time. So to avoid wrong selection of GL account, we will go for automatic account determination. Automatic account determination means We will assign GL account at initial stage only. So what system will do? Automatically it will generate accounting entries. Automatically it will select GL account. Okay, right on. The amount paid to vendor. The amount paid to vendor for received goods and services.
Sir, can you?
The amount paid to vendor for received service goods or services. For received goods.
Sir, please repeat definition. Your voice is breaking, sir.
Is it not audible?
No, sir.
Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right on. Again, I'm repeating from starting. The amount paid to vendor. The amount paid to vendor for received goods and services. The amount paid to vendor for received goods and services. For received goods and services must be posted in company's necessary correct GL account. Must be posted in company's necessarily in a correct GL account. In a correct GL account. Full stop. It is quite impossible. It is quite impossible to select correct GL account every time. It is quite impossible to select correct GL account every time. It is quite impossible to select correct GL account every time during procurement. During procurement, comma. To avoid this inconvenience, in SAP we have a concept called in SAP we have a concept called automatic account determination. To avoid this inconvenience, in SAP we have a solution called automatic account determination. Where system will automatically determine correct GL account that need to be posted. Full stop. Continue. GL account will be posted at the time of GR and invoice. GL account will be posted at the time of GR and invoice. Right on.
At the time of
Automatic at the time of GR and IR invoice. Running automatic account determination configuration. Heading. First one. Define valuation control. Define valuation control. C code. OMWM. Okay. Second one. Group together valuation area. Means group together valuation area means whether you want same GL account in all the plants or plant wise you want separate GL account. Second step. It will decide whether you want same GL account or different GL account. Okay. Third one. Define valuation class. Guys, you are selecting valuation class in material master, na? But where it will be created, that is this one. Next. Configure automatic posting. These are 4 steps done by finance consultant. Okay, guys. These are 4 steps. Right on. Let us go to SAP quickly. First one, define valuation control. Heading. Got it. In this step, we must activate valuation grouping code. In this step, we must activate valuation grouping code. If we want to group valuation areas together, if you want to group valuation areas together, if they belongs to same GL account, Simple, guys. See, in one company code, we'll have many plants. Correct? In all the plants, we will buy material, we will sell material, we will make payment. Correct? Na? So whether you want same general ledger account or different ledger account. Okay. If you want same ledger account, it belongs to same GL account, then we have to inform system. How? By activating grouping code. Write on. Path. C code already you have written na? OMWM. C code already you have written OMWM. Now write on path. SPRO. IMG. Materials management. So simple, what we are doing is, we are assigning same GL account for all the plans. We are informing the system that we want same GL account for all the plans. Okay. So SPRO IMG, materials management, Okay. Under materials management here, valuation and account determination. Valuation and account determination. Under valuation and account determination, here guys, account determination. Account determination. Under account determination, here, account determination without wizard. Account determination without wizard. Under account determination without wizard, here guys, define valuation control. What happened? Video issue, sir?
Sir, video issue, sir.
Yeah, I got it. One second, I will just stop waiting for screen. Okay, guys, can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Okay, define valuation control. That is what heading we are discussing now. So path is SPRO, IMG. Okay, here materials management. I think screen is not clear. Materials management. Under materials management here, guys. Valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. Under valuation and account assignment, here, guys. Account determination. Under account determination, here. Account determination without wizard. Account determination without wizard. Under account determination without wizard, here guys, define valuation control. And define valuation control, enter. So guys, if you want one GL account for all the plants, if you want to use same GL account in all the plants, then you have to activate valuation grouping code. If you want plant-wise GL account, plant-wise, but it is not suggestible and no one will use in company also, don't worry. So here, click on valuation grouping code active radio button. Click on valuation grouping code active radio button. Just click on that. Save it. Save. Okay. Next. Second one. Group together valuation areas. Now here we are going to assign. Group together valuation areas heading. No. In this step, valuation grouping code. Sorry, in this step, valuation grouping. In this step, valuation grouping, we will assign valuation grouping code and valuation area. In this step, valuation grouping, we will assign valuation grouping code and valuation area to company code. Because GLs are created company code level. Now, when you are copying company code, we got GL account. Now we are linking everything. In this step, valuation grouping, we will assign valuation grouping code and valuation area to company code. Okay. T code OMWD. T code OMWD. OMWD. Redden path. Redden path. SPRO IMG materials management. Purchasing. SPRO IMG materials management purchasing, under purchase, sorry, not purchasing. We are discussing account determination. Okay, materials management. Under materials management here, valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. Under valuation and account assignment here, guys, account determination. Under account determination here, account determination without wizard. Under account determination without wizard. Under account determination without wizard here, group together valuation areas, enter. Group together valuation areas, enter. Group together valuation areas, enter. Enter. So here, go to position, give your plant, enter. Go to position, give your plant, enter. But how it is coming? Because of assignment of organization structure. Okay. Go to position, give your plant, enter, and here. Assign valuation grouping code 0001. Assign valuation grouping code 0001. Standard. Or you can give any code or whatever you want. But this code we have to link in OBYCT code. If you are not linked, then automatic GL will not trigger. That's the reason you will face error. Automatic determination is not possible for GBB, BSX, WRX. You are facing issues now when you are doing GR. Because of this only. Save it. Okay. Now write down define valuation class heading. Define valuation class. Write down. Valuation class will be used. Valuation class will be used to link MM and FI. Valuation class will be used to link MM and FI. While full stop and add while creating material, we will select valuation class, which is mandatory. Which is mandatory. Full stop. Write on T code OMSK. T code OMSK. T code OMSK. Write on path. SPRO. IMG. Materials management. Under materials management, valuation and account determination. Valuation and account determination. Under valuation and account determination here. Account determination. Under account determination here. Account determination without wizard. Under without wizard here. Define valuation classes. Enter. Define valuation classes. Enter. Enter. Here. Click on valuation class. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Give valuation class. 4-character code. Alphanumeric. Anything you can give. I'll give RAM raw material 1 because I don't know what other numerics has been used till now. So I'm giving some alphanumeric. Give valuation class 4-character code. Comma. This valuation class is for what purpose? Here. Maintain account category reference. If it is for raw material, then 0001. If it is for operating or if it is for spares or whatever it is, I'll maintain 001. Maintain account category reference, comma, description, enter. See, I gave description as raw material valuation class. I gave description as raw material valuation class. Enter. And save. And save. Now go back. Go back. Here. Click on material type / account category reference. Click on material type / account category reference. Okay. Well done. Here, go to position. Give your material type, enter. Go to position. Give your material type, enter. Okay. Then here, assign account category reference again. And assign account category reference. Then account category reference. Assign account category reference. Okay. Save it. So now how you got the link? Valuation class. While creating valuation class, you have given account category reference. And same account category reference, you have linked to your material type. So automatically, valuation class and material type both are linked. Okay. Valuation class and material type both are linked because of account category reference. Just save it. Write on note. Account category reference will be used. Account category reference will be used to link valuation class and material type. To link valuation class and material type. To link valuation class and material type. Full stop. Now write down configuration of automatic posting heading. Configuration of automatic posting heading. Last step. In this step, we will assign GL account to valuation class and grouping code to transaction key so that GL accounts will be selected automatically while creating transaction. So that GL accounts will be selected automatically while creating transaction. So that GL accounts will be selected automatically while creating transaction. So guys, in this step, what we will do? In this step, we will assign valuation class and grouping code GL account to transaction key. Okay, which helps to select GL account automatically while creating transaction. Okay, T code OBYC. 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 Okay, path you write down. Path. SPRO. IMG. SPRO. IMG. Materials management. Under materials management, valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. Under valuation and account assignment, here, account determination. Under account determination, here guys, account determination without wizard. Account determination without wizard. Under account determination without wizard, here, configure automatic posting. Configure automatic posting. Enter. Here, click cancel. Click cancel. Then here, click on account assignment. Click cancel, then click on account assignment. here, guys. So when you are posting GR, you will get some errors. BSX, GBB, those are transactions. Here you have to select transaction. Double click on transaction key. Example BSX. BSX will come when you are doing GR or when you are issuing goods. Double click on transaction key. Example BSX. If it is GBB, then double click on GBB. Okay. Then give chart of account. INT. Give chart of account. INT. Enter. Just 1 second now. Okay. Go to new entries. Give valuation grouping code 001. We have given a second step. Give valuation grouping code. Then valuation class. Then assign GL account. Then assign GL account. Okay. Then assign GL account. In bracket added, we can check GL account list in FS00T code. We can check GL account list in FS00T code. Let's save it. Save it. So guys, here if the line is missing now for your valuation class, GL account is not assigned, then you will get account determination error when you are doing GR or when you are doing invoice. When you are doing GR or when you are doing invoice, you will get this error. Example, few people are facing GBB error. Na? Let us go to GBB. Here it is, GBB. Just double click on GBB. Give your, see already chart of account we are given. Na? Sometimes GBB and you will face ZOF, VBA, you will face some errors here. Here guys, ZOF. Okay, to your valuation grouping code, to ZOF, to your valuation class, we have to assign GL account. Okay, but it is comes under GBB. Sometimes you will get WRX, clearing account. Check where is WRX here. Here it is. Clearing account. Double click on that. Assign your GL account. So if GL account is not assigned in this screen OBYC, then you will face account determination error when you are doing GR goods issue or invoice. Okay guys, this automatic account determination and whatever you have learned today is pure finance. All these steps, what we have done today is done by finance. Okay. Okay guys. We'll meet on Monday.
Sir, T code for general account list.
Sorry?
T code for general account list, sir.
Just go to FS00. Go to FS00. Give your company code, whatever is your company code, and Just press enter. FS00 will be used to check all GL accounts. Here you can check GL accounts. Okay, FS00 T code. Overall 1700 entries are there. Okay. FS00.
Okay, sir.
This is